welcome to another closing bell for week ending 29th of March. Let's review the notes that we have last week, which is March 22nd. Last week we have the Cyprus bank holiday, and on Thursday we found out that, which is actually yesterday, all the banks are open. And guess what? Those people who put in a deposit of 100,000 euro found out that if you want to take your money out, you can only take 60%, as there will be a tax levy on that. Now, will that happen in this part of the world? I would think it's unlikely, but country that is likely to face which is like B negative credit ratings is likely to face that. It's very unlikely to happen, but one way to protect it is actually getting some gold. Let's look back at the notes that I have last week. Last week we did say the major support at 200 moving average was about at 1634. Update on TDM. Yeah, okay, I'll do that one, Linda. Sure. TDM. Has TDM gotten very high? I wouldn't really check on TDM yet. Last week we were here, somewhere here. This is the KLCI, Monday, Tuesday. We were below 200 moving average. At that time, I still remember my notes here. We're waiting for the next major move. Okay, so the next major move is either on the upside or downside. I did mention that very hard to tell, because at this junction here, to make a predictably whether this is go higher. However, the Cyprus situation has been resolved, market gone higher, but at that point, this tail in here was really a significant point. I was saying here, there is a need. Sorry, let me just get the right pen first. You cannot break this level here. Breaking this level, that's going to be bad. Last Friday we were here, and so if there was a major movement, that's definitely going to be pushing on the downside. And on the upside, indeed, with the Cyprus condition resolved, where the IMF did come in to do the money pumping in and to restore bank stability. I think we'll talk about predictability in the market, very important. And since then, the market has pushed higher. Last week, the KLCI was at, let me just go back to the KLCI. We're at 1634. Today is 1673. We have gone up almost 40 points. And at that time we have foreign funds, which is flat. I will update you. Now today we were down slightly at the 1681, but the market, 1666. But look at it. Wow, this is very strong. Of course, it's no secret if you've been following the foreign funds, which I will go into the foreign funds movement. I did have a couple of premium members who came in, and we did talk about foreign funds really buying this market. You notice for the first time, right, today, yeah, wow, today moved 22 cents. Hey, good, TDM, that's nice. Okay, TDM. Oh yeah, last week we recommended TDM. Or the week before, recommended TDM and post. Yeah, they did move higher. Today, 22 cents. We will look on that one later. Okay. So as you can see, this is first time tremendous movement here. Foreign funds really buying. Thursday was 632, Wednesday was 672 million and 47 million. So you can see a lot of retailers who is not following this website or any other thing have been misinformed about the market, saying how high it is. There's so much fear. But guess what? We got stocks, that's TDM. We're going to get to that later. But let's look at what's the market in here. And the market did close. I was a bit concerned that the market would break back to 1670. However, we have the immediate pushing up from almost down 6 points to just closing back where we were yesterday at 1673. So definitely, foreign funds are coming in. They are not going to let this market slide lower. Yes, the market has moved higher, as I said before. This was a nice low volume here. This one here, we have a breakout on a low volume, and then the dip came in, and the last two bars was heavily buying in here. We still have a resistance at the 1699. I do believe we're going to go higher simply by looking at the FBM 70. Now FBM 70 represent the market breadth, which is the other 30 stocks that is not listed in the KLCI. So you can see we have a new high here, right? New high. Okay, you see that? Look at that. Nice 18-day line change going a bit higher on that. So that looks very promising. Market behave. I mean, there was a couple of clients, premium members who just bought even Carlsberg. Yeah, Carlsberg make a good run since then. If you don't mind that, Alright, for that matter. Okay, let's go to foreign funds now. We have foreign funds. Not that one. Sorry for that. That's a client list that I have. Okay, foreign funds. You can see, this red line that is showing is a 5-day moving average, or the 5-day rolling average. You see this thing just zoom all the way up, and at the same time we do have the so-called 3 months accumulation of foreign funds, which is also streaming out a bit. We are getting a bit toppish in here. Let me just update that. Let's see that. Yes, about 21 over 1,000 in here. Looking very good. No doubt about it. Very happy with the whole situation. But again, on any ultra high volume buying, just be careful. There will be pullback. We have two nice sign of strength, which is indicated by the green arrow that you see here. But on the Singapore side, we have some sort of unconfirmed sign of weakness, because with this bar coming in down, like it or not, this need to be confirmed. As I show you here, this is what's happening in Singapore. Still caught in we have this. Technically, it did try to break on high. It did close in. We got triple top, 1, 2, 3, and triple bottom. Okay, this market is going to try to break higher, and I do believe it will go higher from here onwards. The whole region, relying on the US data, are showing recovery, although today Japan came in and showed not so improved so-called factory